A day after the Election Commission of India announced the date for the by-polls in the 56th Gambegre constituency, the All India Trinamool Congress Aitc Meghalaya Unit had filed a complaint on the 16th of October 2024 with the returning officer. The complaint, submitted by the party's district coordinator SN Sangma, accused the National People's Party of violating the Model Code of Conduct. According to the AITC, NPP workers are distributing CGI sheets to the residents of Aminda Simsang under polling station number 2 to influence voters despite the MCC being in effect. Sangma also alleged that these materials are being strategically placed near polling stations to continue their distribution. The TMC has called for immediate intervention by authorities to ensure that the election is conducted fairly and impartially.
Garing kita bolos kayaknya iba jangan ya gemek cien salbak bang ini igen ya cien salbak madam nih ini gado enoknya